Then we'll give some first the condition, like first initialize the value. First we're going to initialize the value. Right, the condition will check. Right, if condition is true, then the piece of it will increment. Okay, third step is it will increment. First we're going to initialize. Second we're going to check the condition. If condition satisfies, that piece of code will be executed and it will display. And third one is it will increment the value. Right, three steps will follow in any looping statements. Right, first one is initialize the value. Initialize. Second, we're going to what? Check the condition. The third, we're going to increment. Right, either increment, we're going to do this. Right, these three steps we're going to follow in any looping statement. Right, consider it's a while statement, do while statement, or for statement. Right, difference in while and for statement is that in while statement, all these three steps are given differently. Differently means separately we're going to give this one. Initial, first we're going to initialize, and that value is going to check that condition. If that is true, then it will increment. But when it comes to for statement, in a single statement, right, in a single statement, we're going to use all these three steps. Right, so I will explain this part. So first we'll see the while statement, then we can see do while statement, second do while, and third one go for statement. Right, so while statement, as I said, first we have to initialize the value. Value means we have to initialize the variables where a equal to 10, 20. Then we're going to use a condition in the while keyword. While a is equal to 10. Then the condition is going to be checked. Then we're going to write, right? Then particular code what we written in the while statement that will execute it. Right? Then we have to increment that value. Increment means how many times I want to get that result. Right? How many time I want to display that particular result in my browser. Okay. That increment we have to give that. Right? So we'll take the new notepad. So no need. Again, we have to write all those things, document and all, doc type and all. So what I will do, I will take this notepad. Right. So I will remove this part. Okay. Then here script is there, right? So here first first condition is what? First step, you have to initialize the value. So var a equals 1. Okay, I initialize that var a equals 1. Then while the keyword, right? While is the keyword. While statement. Okay, while, right? So you have to write the condition here. Okay, I will just write the condition like a is less than or equal to 10. While a is less than or equal to 10. This is the condition I given. A, it will pass the value a here. Right, 1 is less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. Then this piece of code should execute. Like document dot write, then hello SVIT. Okay, this particular thing will execute there, right? So okay, then we have to increment. Okay, if condition is true, right? So how many times I want this message to be displayed in my browser, right? So it will display up to 10 times. So a is 1. Okay, this will execute. Then next a should be incremented. This value should be incremented, right? To increment that part, we have to give one more statement in the here, right? So that one we can do like this: a equals a plus 1. We can do like that, right? So what it will do here, a value is what? Now it is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. The 2 will be stored in this variable a, and the 2 will be displayed over here. This is the one type we can give, or straight away we can use a plus plus. we can do this increment part in two ways. A is equal to a plus 1. Here a value is what? 1 plus 1. I'm adding plus 1 here, right? So 1 plus 1 is 2. That value will be stored in variable a, and that will be passed to this condition. Okay, let's check whether we'll get the same result. Okay, save, go to browser. You can see this is 10 times it has displayed, right? 10 times given 10 times, so it is 10 times displayed. Okay, so what we do, we'll apply the break here. Okay, if you apply break, then you can see here hello SVIT 10 times it has been displayed in my browser, right? If you want, you can give the like number here, like 1 2 3 4. You can give. How to do that? Okay, this is the message I want to display, right? So a, this is the value, right? A equals 1. This is the a plus okay. So here a plus space. Oh, it has copied 2 times, I think. Something to remove this. So spatial. Okay, I will remove this part. So I will show you. Save. You can see you'll find the number 1 2 3 4 5. Right? If you want, you can give the space over here. If you want, you can give the space, means you can give space like this here, right? So or you can give here this part, right? So you can see. Okay, fine. Load. Like list means a dot, right? Dot. Okay, something you want to do like here, right? Different. Right? So if you want to display this one with the order list, so what I will do, right here, and I will paste over here, and I will use what? Unordered list, UL. Okay, semicolon. Now here you have to give the list, right? I hope you guys are remembering. So how to use the unordered list, right? So the same thing, I'll copy this part. I open this, right? Then I have to close this one. I open this, then I have to close this one. So after executing, this part should close. Part should close, right? Document dot write, right? So now the same result you will get. In place of 1 2 3, you will get the dot symbols, right? Some special characters you will see there, right? I have saved this one. Go here, you can check, right? So it is displayed the same thing in list format. So you can use the same HTML code or CSS codes, right, in the JavaScript. This is what a while statement do. This is what a while statement do. Okay.